Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Login. In today's tutorial video, I'll be helping you learn how to use Netflix gift cards. If you want to use your Netflix gift cards to pay for Netflix or to give it as a gift, it can be purchased at various retail locations and online as well. If you've received a gift card that you'd like to use, then in today's video we'll show you exactly how to redeem your gift card with Netflix. Start by clicking open a web browser. In the address bar at the top, type in netflix.com/redeem. After you're done, press enter on your keyboard and you'll end up in this page right here where it says enter your code below to get started. Into the code or pin text field, type in the code by scratching the foil off the back of your gift card gently with a coin. Now, after you're done typing in your code number or your pin number, click on redeem. On the next page, you might be asked to enter your Netflix credentials if you have not signed in to Netflix yet, and you'll be able to claim your gift card on Netflix. The gift card balance is added to your account and your next payment will be taken from the balance. Also, once you apply a Netflix gift card to an account, you can watch Netflix until the gift card balance runs out. Remember that the gift cards do not expire and they cannot be reloaded. That is how you can easily redeem or use Netflix gift card. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with some more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.